Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and while I absolutely love traveling, sometimes I can find it a little bit stressful when trying to get from point A to point B. But something that is totally going to minimize my stress from now on is this Travel Inspira portable scale. This scale is really light and compact and really easy for me to pack and take with me on any trip. It has only one button, so all I have to do is turn it on to use it. I can also use the button to toggle between 3 different weight units. The strap on the scale is really strong and it easily loops through my luggage handles. Once it is looped through, it has this really wide curved metal piece that fits in perfectly to the metal triangle on the unit. An awesome detail about this weight scale is that I don't even need to look at the number on the display because of the red light, green light feature. If my checked luggage is overweight by airline standards, then the scale lights up red. Then I know that I need to make some adjustments and move some things over to my carry-on luggage. When the checked bag is not overweight, the light on the scale lights up green, and that means I'm good to go. I am so happy that I no longer have to be in the dark when it comes to my checked baggage weight, and I can avoid those dreaded airline fees. And that's my point of view.